Hello everyone. So in this video we will assist you what new we are bringing on TranZact. So recently we are making changes in the side panel. So basically in side panel earlier there was a single option, but now we are making it easy to use and also we are bringing our favorites. Let me show you how. So go to your left hand side, click on the side panel, please check. This is your new side panel. From the very top here you can go ahead and click on your name and can manage your details like your company details, your name, your profile picture, your logo. Thereafter comes the sales and purchase. So on each and every side panel, once you will go, a additional side panel will get open where you can go and suppose if I click on sales and purchase, this is the new view of my transaction module. So we have merged quotation, all document and sales and purchase in a single window. Now, coming back to the side panel, you can go ahead and make favorites as well by clicking on this star icon. Once you will click on this star icon, the favorites will get added here. You can edit the favorite from here. Favorite will make easy to access your day in day out activities. So suppose if you are in a sales team and you only have work with transaction module, you can mark it as favorite and then after you can quickly just go ahead and access it from here. So this is how your entire new update of site navigation panel will work. I hope this particular feature will be helpful to you. We have also made one changes which is in the resource planning. So once you will come in the resource planning, we have went ahead and merged the resource planning and indent. Same goes in the reports as well. Reports and business intelligence, earlier they were separate. Now we have made the report and business intelligence in the same screen. So from here you can access your report, from here you can access your business intelligence module. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you to our new changes which we are bringing in the site navigation panel for your quick access. Have a good day ahead.